Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be making this oven baked snapper. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So yes, here we have two snapper. What I'm going to do now, I'm literally going to just score them into what's it, crisscross. Yeah, just follow my lead. Sometimes the word's not there, forget it, right? And yes, I did remove the eyes of the fish, cause I really like nothing upon my plate to look for me, you see me? So yeah, I do try and take them out. And yes, this fish was previously cleaned and washed. Now you know sometimes fish have the little rawness to it. Just wash it a little lime and vinegar, and say it cut it down, it minimize it. So yes, you want to have your fish looking like this. This just allows all the seasoning to just go down in it, because when we like the food when it's seasoned up and ting it goes. So yes, so here I'm gonna use a teaspoon of my complete seasoning. I'm going to go in with a teaspoon and a half of my Maggi fish seasoning. Now I'm also gonna add a teaspoon of my smoked paprika. Now completely optional, I'm gonna add let's say about a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now if you don't like too much of the heat, if just leave out the cayenne pepper. It's not a must, but fish have to have a little pepper to get rid of the extra rawness on it. Now I'm just gonna put about about a tablespoon of olive oil and just mix this to combine it all together. Then I'm just gonna slather it all over my fish. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, I have loads and loads of videos on the channel. Go ahead and check them out. And if you like my content, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, as always, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for the support. Now, as you can see, I'm using my little brush and I'm just brushing this mixture all over the fish. Make sure you just get into the bits that you score. Make sure you do the other side now, because of one side of the fish I go show up on the plate. Remember, so the people are going to eat the other side of the fish. So we're going to turn over the fish, and we're going to just do the same thing on the other side. We're also going to open up the belly of the fish, and we're just going to do the same thing. Just get that seasoning all over. Now, before I started to prep my fish, I did go ahead and turn my oven on, because you want that oven nice and hot before you put your fish in. Now, I'm going to put my fish on a rack in the oven. I'm just going to go ahead and just lightly brush the rack with some olive oil, just so the fish don't stick. And I'm also going to add in about half a cup of water into the tray. Now, I put the greaseproof paper in the tray because it's a lot easier with the washing up. Yeah, I don't like when my pan them stain up, so I always put this in it because it's just so easy. If you soak no pan, just throw the paper and just wash out the pan and you're done. Now you want to bake this in the oven. I use gas mark number 6, which is about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. You want to do this for about half an hour. Now, whilst your fish is in the oven, I'm going to work on a little pickle. So in a pan, I've melted some butter, added some onions, carrots, a little scotch bonnet pepper, because we want the heat, more of the heat. Scotch bonnet is totally optional. The amount you use is, again, completely up to you. I also added some, just a little pinch of pimento grains. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of my vegetable seasoning, and I'm just going to give that a little stir. What I'm also going to add in here is my vinegar. Now I do like to use a pickling vinegar because, you know, I just like it. Now once I add my vinegar, I'm just going to let this come to a boil and then just turn it off because I want my sauce to just kind of thicken up a bit. I'm also going to add in about a teaspoon and a half of brown sugar. Now this shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes or so to do because, you know, as you can see, my heat is really high. I want that sauce just to reduce quickly in order for my onions not to get too soggy, and my carrots, I like a little bit of crunch on them with my fish. Now after about 30 minutes, I've taken out the fish. I've removed the liquid from the pan because what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to crank my oven up a little bit just onto gas mark number 7. As you can see, the fish is cooked, but it's, you know, the skin is just a little bit, yeah. So crank your oven up, whack it back in, and it will just crisp up the skin nicely. Now you can do this for like the last five minutes before the fish is ready. Now once the fish is ready, you just put that bad boy on a plate and just, you know, get your sauce. Put that sauce all over the fish because you know the fish and the vinegar and the pepper and the everything together just nice. Yeah, when I say nice, you know what I mean. Nice, nice bud. Now you can choose to, you know, put the pickle all over the fish, or you can just put it to the side, you know. You can just help yourself dip and come up and dip and come up. And you can also serve this up with some bami, you know, look a fish and bread or thing and things, some green plantain, whatever your choice. Look a rice, whatever. But me, I just wanted to enjoy this just on its own. And there you have it, guys, my oven baked snapper. Now, niceness turn up. It did after nice, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.